Imagine holding a miniature model of the Eiffel Tower in your hand, every intricate detail perfectly replicated. Now imagine that you didn't buy this model, but instead you created it yourself, in your own home, using a 3D printer. This is the magic of 3D printing, a technology that allows us to turn digital designs into physical objects layer by thin layer. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, has rapidly evolved from a niche technology to a transformative force across industries. From creating intricate prosthetics that improve lives to producing lightweight components for spacecraft, 3D printing is revolutionizing the way we design, manufacture, and interact with the world around us. This isn't just about replicating existing objects, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. 3D printing empowers us to create complex geometries and customized designs that were previously unimaginable, opening up a world of possibilities for innovation and creativity. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of 3D printing, exploring its history, its impact on various industries, and its potential to shape a future where the only limit is our imagination. At its core, 3D printing is a deceptively simple process. It starts with a digital design, created using computer-aided design, or CAD software. This design is then sliced into thin, virtual layers by a program called a slicer. The sliced design is sent to the 3D printer, which reads the instructions for each layer. The printer then deposits or solidifies material layer by layer according to the design, gradually building the object from the bottom up. There are various 3D printing technologies, each using different materials and processes. Some of the most common include fused deposition modeling, or FDM, which extrudes thermoplastic filaments, stereolithography, or SLA, which uses UV lasers to cure liquid resin, and selective laser sintering, or SLS, which uses a laser to fuse powdered materials. The materials used in 3D printing are just as diverse as the technologies themselves. From plastics and metals to ceramics and even food, the range of printable materials continues to expand, enabling the creation of objects with specific properties and functionalities. The journey of 3D printing began in the 1980s, with early pioneers developing rudimentary forms of additive manufacturing. These early machines were primarily used for prototyping and were limited in terms of materials and resolution. Over the decades, 3D printing has undergone a remarkable transformation. Advancements in computing power, materials science, and software have led to the development of faster, more precise, and more affordable 3D printers. Today, 3D printing is no longer confined to research labs and tech enthusiasts' basements. It has become an integral part of industrial manufacturing, enabling companies to produce complex parts, customize products, and streamline their supply chains. The evolution of 3D printing is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of innovation. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking applications and a future where the possibilities are truly limitless. The impact of 3D printing on manufacturing is nothing short of revolutionary. Traditional manufacturing methods often rely on subtractive processes where material is removed from a larger block to create the desired shape. 3D printing, on the other hand, adds material layer by layer, offering several key advantages. One of the most significant benefits is the ability to create complex geometries that are difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional methods. This opens up new design possibilities, allowing engineers to create lighter, stronger, and more efficient components. Another advantage is the ability to produce customized products on demand. 3D printing eliminates the need for expensive tooling and large production runs, making it ideal for creating personalized goods, prototypes, and even one-off designs. Furthermore, 3D printing enables distributed manufacturing, allowing companies to produce goods closer to their customers or in remote locations with limited infrastructure. This reduces transportation costs, lead times, and the overall carbon footprint of manufacturing. Section 5. Reaching for the stars. 3D printing in aerospace and beyond. The aerospace industry has embraced 3D printing as a game-changer, leveraging its ability to create lightweight, high-performance components for aircraft and spacecraft. 3D printing allows engineers to produce complex parts with intricate internal structures, reducing weight without compromising strength. For instance, companies like SpaceX and Boeing are using 3D printing to manufacture rocket engines, fuel tanks, and other critical components. These 3D printed parts are not only lighter, but also more durable, and require less maintenance than their traditionally manufactured counterparts. The automotive industry is another major adopter of 3D printing. From prototyping new designs to producing customized car parts, 3D printing is transforming the way cars are designed, manufactured, and personalized. Healthcare is yet another field where 3D printing is making a profound impact. Surgeons are using 3D printed models to plan complex surgeries, while researchers are developing biocompatible materials for printing personalized implants and even human organs. Section 6. Unleashing Creativity, 3D Printing in Design, Art, and Fashion. Beyond its industrial applications, 3D printing is also fueling creativity and innovation in the realms of design, art, and fashion. Designers are no longer bound by the constraints of traditional manufacturing methods, allowing them to experiment with complex geometries, organic shapes, and personalized aesthetics. Architects are using 3D printing to create intricate models and even full-scale building components, pushing the boundaries of architectural design and construction. Artists are exploring the creative potential of 3D printing to produce sculptures, installations, and other works of art that challenge traditional notions of form and materiality. The fashion industry is also embracing 3D printing to create unique garments, accessories, and footwear. From intricate jewelry designs to customized footwear that conforms to the wearer's feet, 3D printing is blurring the lines between fashion and technology. Section 7. The Shape of Things to Come, Bioprinting and the Future of Medicine. One of the most exciting and potentially transformative applications of 3D printing lies in the field of bioprinting. Researchers are developing bioprinters that can deposit layers of living cells along with other biomaterials to create functional tissues and organs. Imagine a future where patients suffering from organ failure no longer have to wait for a donor, but can instead receive a bioprinted organ created from their own cells. While still in its early stages, bioprinting holds immense promise for addressing organ shortages, developing personalized medicine, and even growing replacement tissues for damaged organs. Beyond organ printing, bioprinting has the potential to revolutionize drug discovery and testing. Researchers can use 3D printed tissues to create more accurate models of human organs, allowing for more effective drug testing and reducing the reliance on animal testing. Section 8. Building a Better Tomorrow, Sustainability and the Promise of 3D Printing. As we face the challenges of climate change and resource depletion, 3D printing offers a more sustainable approach to manufacturing and consumption. By enabling on-demand production and localized manufacturing, 3D printing can significantly reduce waste, transportation costs, and the overall carbon footprint of goods. Furthermore, 3D printing allows for the use of recycled materials and the creation of products with optimized designs that use less material. This reduces the reliance on virgin resources and promotes a more circular economy. Moreover, the ability to repair and customize products using 3D printing extends their lifespan, reducing waste and promoting a more sustainable approach to consumption. From printing replacement parts for household appliances to creating custom-fit clothing that lasts longer, 3D printing empowers us to consume more responsibly. Section 9. Conclusion: A world without limits, shaped by 3D printing. From its humble beginnings as a prototyping tool, 3D printing has emerged as a transformative technology with the power to reshape industries, revolutionize medicine, and unleash unprecedented levels of creativity. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with 3D printing, we are entering a world where the only limit is our imagination. Imagine a future where we can print personalized medicine, create sustainable homes on demand, and even manufacture products in space. The possibilities are as boundless as the human spirit of innovation. As we embrace the transformative potential of 3D printing, we have a responsibility to ensure that this technology is used ethically and sustainably for the betterment of humanity and the planet. The future is ours to shape, and with 3D printing as our tool, we have the power to create a world without limits.